Hey guys, this is my unboxing video of the HyperX CloudX gaming headset, and as you see, I just opened it. Let's see what this is like. Oh my god, this is sick. What? This is so comfortable in my hand, like, look at this. That's cool. It even has the HX on it. It's nice. What are the ports down here? Got like headphone jacks and stuff. This is so cool. This is so soft. Like, look at the top of my hand when I squeeze it. That's so cool. Got the wire wrapped up there. And what else is in here is that it's got a gaming mic. The gaming mic is detachable. What? Whoa, this is cool. Because that's cool. It's like a normal headphone jack, but it's part of a mic. So then you just put this in right here on your headset like this. So then when you play like games, like I don't know, like COD or Fortnite or something, or like you're playing F1 in a party with your friends, you can like hear each other. And it's specifically designed for Xbox. That's cool. Because I have not found anything designed specifically for Xbox or anything that you can use for Xbox other than what Xbox made. Is it legendary sound? I hope so. Maybe for my next Fortnite video or something, I'll use this. This is sick. What are the contents here? So there is, it's like the headset, it's 53. That looks really comfortable. The mic is removable, and there's even like a little tiny one. A little tiny mic right here, or I don't know. I have no idea what this is called because I'm kind of new to this. Maybe this is like another mic. Yeah, probably. But this is sick. Like, I so have to use this. This is great. I like the box, the instruction manuals and all that stuff. Oh, and I got a 2-year warranty. That's even better. Let me get the instruction manual. So that there shows you how to input everything. So wires in there. Now that's a quick start guide. Oh, a quick little pamphlet. Then you can insert it on your Xbox controller. That's sick. That's cool. Here, clear thing. So, HyperX CloudX gaming headset. I don't know if that'll focus. There we go. 53mm drivers, memory foam, premium leatherette, or just leather, an aluminum frame designed specifically for Xbox Series X and Xbox One. Okay, like I've got to use this for my next gaming video. This is cool, and signature comfort as well. That's great. Alright, thumbs up if you like this video. I'm not sponsored by any of these guys. Please like and subscribe. And if I get at least 16 likes, I will use. If I get 16 likes on this video, I will use this headset in my next gaming video, which is probably going to be an F1 or something. And I will definitely let you guys know how this holds up and what it feels like, because this looks cool. Like, I've got to use this. Like, if you got this for your birthday or any celebration that you went to and you were getting presents and you got this, wouldn't you not want to use this, right? Why would you not want to use this? You should have to have a pretty good reason to not want to use this. But dang, this is cool. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Please just share this with your friends. And if you want one of these and you want to know what it looks like and the contents inside, Well, check out their website if they have one. I didn't do the research on this. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.